So here we are taking a problems on finding the solution of an homogeneous differential equation subject to the given conditions. So we are solving those examples here. Take down the example. Solve dq plus d square minus 2 of y equal to 0 subject to the condition y of 0 equal to 2, y dash of 0 is equal to 2, y double dash of 0 is equal to 3. This is nothing but y is a 2 when x is 0, y dash is 2 when x is equal to 0, y double dash is minus 3 when x is 0. That is the meaning of the given condition here. So given first we have to solve the, when we come to the solution, so given equation will be rewritten first dq plus d square minus 2 of y equal to 0, so that your auxiliary equation is m cube plus m square minus 2 equal to 0. First we have to solve the auxiliary equation here. So solve this first, we have to solve for the inspection method. First put a m equal to 1. When m equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore m equal to 1 is a root by the inspection. Now come to the synthetic division. So in the synthetic division, write down all the coefficients of an equation here. Constant, coefficient of m is not there, take a 0. Coefficient of m square is 1, coefficient of m cube is 1. So inspection method, take a root value 1, start with a 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 into 1, 2, minus 2 plus 2, 0. Constant plus coefficient of m plus coefficient of m square. So m square plus 2m plus 2 equal to 0. We cannot factorize it. So again go for the formula, minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, minus b equal to 2 plus or minus b square is 4 minus 4 into a into c minus 8 divided by 2. So minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Root of minus 4 is 2i divided by 2. So our value will be minus 2. So you can take the 2 common and you can cancel it. We get a minus 1 plus or minus I. So our m equal to 1 minus 1 plus or minus I. So that our complementary function is, or nothing but the solution of homogeneous differential equation is. So totally we have a m equal to 1 comma minus 1 plus or minus I are the roots of an given differential equation. So that our complementary function or nothing but a solution is c1 e raised to x plus e raised to p equal to minus 1 minus x into bracket c2, coefficient of I is 1, so c2 cos x plus c3 sin x, call this one as 1. Come to the condition, y of 0 equal to 2. This is a function y in terms of the variable x, so y of x. So y of 0 is equal to, means when x is 0, the function is 2. So c1 e raised to 0 is a c1, e raised to 0 is 1, cos of 0 is 1, 1 into c2, C2, sine of 0, 0. So C1 plus C2 equal to 2. Call this one as 2. Now to apply the second condition, we need a y dash. Take a derivative of 1. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. So y dash of x is equal to C1. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus u into v. Keep a e raised to minus x as it is. Derivative of v. Derivative of cos is minus sin x. Derivative of sin is cos x. Derivative of e raised to minus x is minus e raised to minus x. C2 cos x plus C3 sin x. That is our y dash. So y dash is given. Y dash of 0 is equal to 2. So y dash of 0 is equal to 2 when x is a 0. Put a x is equal to 0. E raised to 0 is 1. C1. E raised to 0 is 1. Sin 0, 0. Cos of 0 is 1. 1 into C3. Minus cos of 0 is 1. Sin 0, 0. Cos of 0 is 1. 1 into C2, C2. C2 into minus sin. Minus C2. So we get the C1 plus C3 minus 2 equal to 2 here. Again now we have to take the second derivative of this equation. Call this one as equation 3. Call this one as equation 4. C1 plus C3 minus C2 equal to 2. Take again the differentiation of a 3 with respect to x because we need a y double dash, so that we have to take a second derivative of the equation 3. So y double dash of x is equal to C1 derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus c raised to minus x into C2 sin x. C2 sin x minus C2. Derivative of sin is cos x. Derivative of cos is minus sin x. No, derivative of e raised to minus x is minus e raised to minus x into v as it is minus C2 sin x plus C3 cos x. Close the bracket. Now come to here, again u into v. So when you take again u into v minus e raised to minus x is as it is. Derivative of this term C2. Derivative of cos is minus sin x plus C3. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of u. Derivative of e raised to minus x is minus e raised to minus x. Minus of minus plus e raised to minus x into this term as it is. C2 cos x plus C3 sin x. Now see here, C1 e raised to x plus e raised to minus x, C2 cos x plus C3 sin x is nothing but the y. So replace this entire term by y plus e raised to minus x into bracket minus C2 cos x minus C3 sin x minus e raised to minus x into minus C2 sin x plus C3 cos x minus e raised to minus x into minus C2 sin x plus C3 cos x. Here these two terms are same and both have a same sign, so you can directly write it as minus 2 e raised to minus x directly, or else you can go with also separately y double dash of x. Now y double dash of 0 is equal to minus 3. So when y is equal to 0, y of 0 is equal to, what is the value? Here already y of 0 value is there. Y of 0 is equal to C1 plus C2. So when you substitute x is 0 in this equation, we get a C1 plus C2. So directly I am writing it as C1 plus C2. plus e raised to 0 is 1, cos of 0 is 1, 1 into minus c2 is minus c2, sin 0 0, 0 something is 0, minus e raised to 0 is 1, sin 0 0, cos of 0 is 1, 1 into c3 c3, c3 into minus sin minus c3, cos of 0 is 1, 1 into c3 c3, sin 0 0, so 0 into something is cancelled, so c3 into minus is minus c3, c2 c2 cancelled, c1 minus 2c3 equal to minus 3. So call this one as equation, this one is equation 5, this one as equation 6. Now using the 2 4 6, that is c1 plus c2 equal to 2, c1 plus c3 minus 2 equal to 2, c1 minus 2c3 equal to minus 3. Using these three equations we have to solve now. Now I am going to convert this c1 plus c2 equal to 2 in terms of as a function of x. So using this equation I am converting this in terms of as a function of, means constant as a express in terms of as a c1. So here c1 is equal to 2c3 minus 3, just send it 2c3 on the RHS side, substitute this value in these two. c1 is equal to, substitute it here, 2c3 minus 3 plus c2 equal to 2, minus 3 send on to the RHS side, that becomes minus 2c3 plus c2 equal to 5. Now also substitute a c1 here also, 2c3 minus 3 plus c3 minus c2 equal to 2, 2c3 plus c3 becomes a 3c3, minus 3 send on to the RHS side, minus c2, minus is plus, 3 plus 2 becomes a 5. Now solve these two equations. Solving these two, 3c3 minus c2 equal to 5, c2 c2 cancelled, 2c3 3c3 becomes a 5c3, 5 plus 5 equal to 10, c3 equal to 2. Substitute a c3 in any one equation, in this put a c3, or else here c1 equal to 2 into c3 minus 3, 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, c1 equal to 1, c1 equal to 1, c3 equal to 2, or c1 equal to 1 put here, c2 equal to 1 send on to the RHS side, 2 minus 1 is 1, c1 equal to 1, c2 equal to 1, c3 equal to 2. Substitute c1, c2, c3 in 1. Substitute c1, c2, c3 in 1. We get. So the equation 1 is y equal to, here is your equation 1. c1 equal to 1, 1 into e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x into bracket, c2 equal to 1, 1 into cos x, c3 equal to 2, 2 into sin x. So that is our solution of an given differential equation. So that is the procedure of solving the example.